Today we are going to perform a very interesting activity. So I have this sheet on which there are a number of dots. Now all these dots are equally spaced. So you see, all these dots are equally far from each other. Now using these dots we can make a number of geometrical shapes. So let's start. Now what do we have here? Well, among all these dots, 4 of these dots are marked, isn't it? Now what shape can you make by using all these 4 dots together? Well, let's try. So let me join these 2 points. Now what do I get? Well, I get a line, isn't it? So by joining these 2 dots I get a line, which is a geometrical shape. But are we using all the 4 points? Not really. I'm using just 2 of them. So this is not the correct shape which we are looking for. So let's try a different shape. So what if I join these 2 points here and I join these points here and I also join these 2 points? So what do I get? Well, I get a triangle, isn't it? So another geometrical shape. But again, we are not using all the 4 points. I am only using 3 of these points, isn't it? So using these dots I was able to make another geometrical shape, but this is not the right geometrical shape because we need to use all the 4. So let's try another shape. So what if I join these 2 points like this, then I join these 2, next I join these 2, and now I join these 2. So which shape do we get? Well, it has 4 sides. So 4 sides can be a rectangle and it can be a square too. So which shape is it? Well, we know that in case of square, all the 4 sides are equal. So do we have equal sides here? Let's see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots on this line. Okay, so I have 6 dots. Now let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots long this side. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, this side is also 6 dots long. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 dots long. So what do we see? We see that all the 4 sides are equal, which means this shape is a square, and this is using all the 4 given points, which means this is the shape which we need. So from these points we were able to make a line initially, then a triangle, and now a square. Now let's see the next part of this puzzle. So this time we have been given 2 lines like this. Now which shape can we make from these 2 lines? Let's see. So first of all, let's try joining these 2 points. So I join these 2 points. What do I get? Well, I get a triangle, isn't it? So we have these three sides. So these three sides make up a triangle because triangle has three different sides. Now, what else can we make from this particular shape itself? Well, let me join it in a different way. So, what if I take a line and I join these 2 points, and then I join these 2 points. Now what do we have? Well, again we have 4 sides. Now, is it a square or is it a rectangle? Because both of them have 4 sides. Let's see what is the length of these sides. So let's start with this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots on this line. So this line is 9 dots long. Now let's take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 dots on this line. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 again. So this is 9 dots long. And what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So 5 dots long. So what do we have here? Well, we have one pair of lines here. Both are 9 dots long. And we have another pair of lines here. Both are 5 dots long. So 4 sides and one pair of lines is longer than the other pair, which means this is a rectangle. So as you can see, using these dots we were able to make a rectangle too. Now let's move to the next one. So I have this line here. So I have just one line. So what do you think? How many shapes can I make from this single line? Well, many of the geometrical shapes can be made using this one single line. So let's try some. Now, if I draw a line from here to here, do I get a geometrical shape? Well, not till now. What if I join these 2 points here? Now do I get a geometrical shape? Well, it has 3 sides. So which geometrical shape is it? What do you think? Well, because we have 3 sides, so we are talking about triangle. So this is a triangle which I have made by joining these 2 points and these 2 points, and I get a triangle. Now what else can I make from just one line? Well, I can also draw a rectangle. How? Let's see. So I take these 4 points. Now for a rectangle, it's very important that opposite sides are of same length. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 dots here. So I'll have to take 4 dots here too. And it will be exactly opposite to this one. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 dots long line here too. Now even this side has to have an opposite side which is of the same length. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots long. And if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots. So if I join this, I will get 6 dots long line. So I join these points here. Now what do I get? Well, I get a rectangle. So you see, one pair of sides is longer than the other pair, and opposite sides are of the same length. So we have a rectangle. Now, can I make a square from this particular line? Well, if we had a bigger page, maybe we could have made. But in this case, we cannot make a square. Well, let's see why. What do we know about square? Well, square has all the four sides equal, right? Now, I already have one side, that is one line, which is 6 dots long. So, I will need to have another 3 sides which are 6 dots long. Now, to opposite of this, I can have 6 dots long. But what about this side and this side? So, let's say I take these 6 points from here. Now, I will have to have this side which is 6 dots long. Now, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot make more than 4 in this case, but I need 6 dots long. Only then this can be a square. So, I do not have enough space for a square. As a result, I can make a triangle, I can make a rectangle from this, but I cannot make a square. If I had 6 points on this side too, then I would have made a square from this particular line. So you see, if you have such an arrangement of points, and if you are given a particular geometric shape, or if you have been given few dots, then you can easily make a number of geometrical figures from these dots. So it's a very interesting activity, and you can try it at your home too.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.